All right, we're going to see Bob. Bob just got here, and I was a little late coming in. So here's Addison.
Hey guys.
Here's Eli, my wife.
Hi.
But he's the first arrival. So I'm guessing he's in here. Addison wanted to meet him, so we're gonna find him. Hello. Looking for someone that just got here a little bit ago?
Walk around and maybe outside too.
Cool, thank you. I was guessing he'd be sitting at the bar. Unless he's out here. There he is, sitting there, Christian Hire shirt.
And everybody's showing up here, so I love you and I'll see you later, baby. Bye-bye.
There he is.
What's up?
What's up? Look at that shirt.
Oh,
Bob, this is my
yeah,
wife.
that's kind of weird, isn't it?
There's gonna be plenty of that going on. Anyway,
I'm Bob.
Hi.
that's my daughter.
Nice to meet you.
Addison.
Addison, okay.
Emily. Emily.
Emily. And the boy.
Eli.
Hi, Eli. How you doing?
It's not,
Bob.
it's not SpongeBob, it's just Bob.
Nope.
Can you say hi, Bob?
I wonder if this is smoking out here.
Say hi, Bob. Get Bob Knuckles?
All right, well, we'll see you when more people come in. Bye, Felicia. Bob says he's got something round. We're at an 1820 permission. Ooh, yeah, I see it.
Well, that's not what I'm talking about. That's probably just a coin. Look at all the round stuff. Coinage. That should be green. Watch it, I can't see anything. So.
I like it so far.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, me too. There's Lincoln, I believe. Yeah, it's Lincoln.
Yeah, but you're the VDBS master.
Wheat.
All right, first Weedy.
Woohoo! Ohio Wheatie.
You gotta go Weedy.
Thanks, Chris. Oh, no, I don't do that. I love my Wheaties.
Yeah, your Weedy brought you to Ohio last time. All right, on the board with a wheat. All right, I just dug a crotal bell, and I keep forgetting to film, so the homeowner's actually looking at it right now.
I got a coin.
Kurt's got a live dig.
Silver quarter or large cent. 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 Oh, there it is. I just whacked it.
Nailed it. Oh, there it is.
It's not a coin. It's one of those. It's one of those.
Bazinga.
It's actually a really old tool. The handle would be right here, and this would be hooked to the piece of wood. Off like an old.
Oh, when I saw all that black dirt, I got all
And
excited.
then around this.
All right, well, I want to go check out my crotal again. My scrotal. All right, so I got my boys in town, and I am like seriously forgetting to film stuff. But I just got my very first crotal. It's gorgeous. It's got fancy, and it rings. So she's making. This is the stuff I've got over the couple of times I've been here. You know, pieces of spoons and stuff. But she's gonna make shadow boxes, so I'm gonna let her have that. As much as I love that, I know she's gonna love it just as much as me. So we're gonna let her keep that here with the house. 1820 house. Okay, hopefully there's more. So Angie's letting me dig in the garden, and of course, being I don't know if you can really see it, but I got a 44 Wheatie. So I gotta yell. The boys are here. Woo! 44, ladies, that's me! Alright, I just dug what I believe is either a silver or a white gold. I'm thinking it's white gold. It's not stamped at all. Bee just flew in my ear. So let me go show Ginger Bear.
Doing a lot of light rubs in the high points to really get it to stand out.
Shield nickel.
That's a beautiful coin.
Look at the date. Look how little it is. 1867.
Yep, it's there.
Gorgeous. Nice job. Ginger Bear. Day one, we're killing it. Thanks to Angie. I'm on the board, baby.
Clean that thing!
Poo-poo juice.
Now it's gonna be all fuzzy.
Bam. 59. Rosie. Well, you're just gonna have to trust me. It's 59 Rosie.
Hey, what's this in your shirt?
Oh! This is awesome. I can't even believe I was able to get this accomplished. Check this out. You got Sam over there. You got Mike. Yep, swinging the sport. But I mean, look all my buddies digging. Eddie Spaghetti, Joe Toth, Ginger Bear, Kurt France, Brad, Bob McCarthy, Rusty Fawcett, Mitchell and Megan Smith. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Unbelievable. Can't believe I got it pulled off. I got this big field. It's like 1.5 feet tall and it's raining and it sucks. So hopefully we find something. Peace. Look at this. Pooch. Gorgeous dog. But look, he's got a spine.
Spine with a leg tag. Hey, eat your lunch.
Eat your lunch.
Eat your lunch.
The other one, I haven't seen the other one.
He's got it for you. He's got it.
Oh, that's awesome.
So I'm hoping it's gold.
Oh, that's gold, dude.
Let's extract this, see what it is.
That is gold.
Oh, dude.
Wow. Wow. Gold. Gold.
No.
It's a gold knife that
Gold pocket knife.
No. Oh my God.
That's gold. That is without a doubt gold. Let me see.
Look at the engraving in it.
Oh my God. I have one so similar on my keys. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Eddie.
Dang.
Oh, can I?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh God, thank you.
He just stuck a gold pocket knife.
Yes,
like, gorgeous.
For real.
Wow.
Eddie, oh my God, she's beautiful.
I'm not even
When we
bullshit.
get back, I want to show you my key. I have one that is almost identical on my keys right
Check that out.
now.
I mean the metal blade, of course. That's
Yeah.
why I was jumping around. I was getting like an iron.
Oh
and-
my God, man, that's amazing.
That's gold. That's definitely gold.
Oh, that's the sweet
Def-
stuff,
definitely
honey,
is.
darling.
Wow.
Brad, where is B-Rad?
Holy shit.
He's
Wow.
around. Oh, he's gonna poop.
I'm gonna go get him.
Yes.
All right. Hailstorm came in. Everybody bolted to their car. Not me. I got a V nickel. 1901. Cool. All right. Today's Bob's birthday, and we got two houses side by side. This one, 1871. That one's 1880 something. Bob said he's got something shiny.
Hey, I see what that is. What is it, Rosie?
No.
No?
I see what it is too. It's clad.
Funny guy. Merc. Oh, that's a Merc. That's a beauty too. I love that gray on there.
No.
Is it a 44? I can't see it.
Play with your coin, man.
Oh, ooh, baby. Oh yeah, I love you. I can't.
No.
I can't see it.
44.
It is a 44.
You get to do the
Awesome.
honors.
I'm a happy bastard.
And
And what?
44.
Oh, 44!
Ladies, that's me.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Brad already got a 44 too.
That's cool as hell.
That is. Nice
That's
job.
got that beautiful gray to it.
Oh
too.
yeah, I love that.
So
It's
do
almost
I.
like pewter color.
Yeah.
Check out the halo. Where's
Let's
that?
check and see if it's got friends. Nope.
Maybe it's over here.
What'd you get over here, Ginger Bear?
45.
Oh, you blew it.
I know. Trust me. I blew it.
Well, Megan just sent me guess what in all caps.
Good. Good.
Tenderback chicken butt.
I've been striking out today. This is day 3. 2 boys are in town. 1900 engine. Is she gone? There she is again. Look at the black halo. It was crusty. Sweet, I'm on the board. Brad, that's about as bottom feeding as it gets, man. I got me a Silva. Barely. 1964.
Way to go.
Nice.
I just dug 6 memorials in a row.
Oh, I'll take it. I'm on the board with a Silva. Nice. All right, quiet on set.
It was a 99 signal.
I know.
Check
I
this out.
passed a 99 signal. I marked it with
Hey,
some
you leave my
grass.
99 signals alone.
I put some grass on top of it.
No,
and
there
made
was
it a stick.
somebody plugged it right there. It was way down there.
No.
That is an iron skeleton key.
Wow.
Oh my God.
That's a big son of a bitch.
That
That's like a
thing's
prison key.
huge.
Oh my God.
Go see if it opens the front door.
Welcome
All right, let's go.
Kurt, that is amazing.
Yeah, it had that dark soil in it.
Look at that.
Oh, you can tell he likes it. See his fingers?
I've never found a piece of iron that I like more than that right there.
Oh my God.
The fact that I didn't hit it and it's complete.
That is
my
awesome.
day.
That is nuts. let me turn hold your camera.
No,
let me film you.
The key to my fart.
Behind the scenes
No,
on the
look.
Hoover Boys.
The key to my heart. Look, it's got my heart already. Oh my God.
You know what?
Wait.
Keep it.
No.
Keep it.
Why? No. You've never found
I'm
a
not
piece of
taking
iron
it
you like
back.
more than that. I'm not taking that from you.
Nope.
It would hurt me to take that from you.
Nope.
It would
Hey.
hurt me. No, absolutely
This
not.
is the house you found your first large sign.
Yes, and
Take
I've
the
got
key
my
to-
largie, and you like this.
Take the
Please
key
don't
to
do
the
that
front
to
door.
me.
I'm not taking it back.
No, don't do that to
I'm
me.
not taking it back. You love keys.
I tried arguing with him.
All right, I'll take it.